Hi everyone, welcome to my channel HSN Life. I hope you all are doing great. So today is a beautiful morning and it's the second day of our visit to Ajman Beach Hotel. So it's 8:30 a.m. and you can see my little Harsha is trying to open the curtains with his all efforts. So now we'll be going down for a breakfast and then we'll go to the pool and the beach area. I really don't want to miss the morning view of the beach. So I think we should hurry up now. So here is the breakfast and you can see the variety of food, and the best part is it is included in a package. So now after finishing the breakfast we have come to the beach and you can see the cold breezes floating around, and I must say it gives you a really very good feeling. As we say, the nature has its own beauty, and it's true. You can see the water sports are also available, so if you like it you can go ahead with it. So now after getting fresh and resting for some time, we are going back to the pool area.
I'm going to swimming pool.
So here you can see my little Hashir. He is playing in the water and he is very happy. Though he doesn't know to swim, he is enjoying the every moment in the water because he is so much fond of water. Whenever you ask him, he would always say yes for it. That's the main cause of his happiness. This is the water sport area and these are the water bike of the Ajman Beach Hotel. So now we are running back to our room and then we'll come back after having a lunch. So after coming back from the pool area, we thought why not go out for the lunch as the climate is really very good. So finally we decided to come out for the lunch. So now it's tea time and we have come back to the pool area as my little Hashir was not ready to wait at all in the room. husband and he is enjoying his jacuzzi massage while I am recording it. Now we have back to the room, and the day was really very tiring for us. And my little Hashir, he is playing games on mobile, as you can see. But then I am very exhausted for today. So this was all for the day, and we decided to order the pizza for the dinner in the room itself, as it's very cold outside. As well as I said you earlier, the day was little tiring for us, but then we enjoyed a lot. We had a great fun, especially my little Hashir. He was very happy and he enjoyed a lot. So now it's time to leave. We have already done with the morning breakfast, and now we are going down. We'll complete with the checkout formalities. It was a simple winter holidays for us. It was a short holiday, but then we had a great fun. It was full of joy and happiness, especially my little Hashir. As I always say, he is always happy being in the water, and he took the full advantage of this holidays. He enjoyed a lot. He had a great fun and he is very happy. So we have done with that, and now we are leaving for home, back to our routines. So hopefully you like my video, and it's a great place to visit with your family for a short holidays. So do try it. See you soon into another video. Till then, bye, take care.